Hey everyone, welcome to another video of my challenge, which is my 31-day art challenge. This is to improve my artwork and just to see how committed I can be to creating. I'm gonna be doing a project, but I want to see how dedicated I am first. So I'm now on day 14, and I'm just doing a jacket, just a quick freehand jacket, and I'm using my microline and my Prismacolor ink. Um, Somehow I like to use the studio microline, but this one seemed to be running out of ink, so yeah, I kind of go through it quite a lot. But for sure, it makes the lines really nice and fine, especially if you're using the 0.45. That's, I think, the biggest tip I've seen so far, but I do like it. But because of that, I'm running out of ink. I end up choosing the Prisma brush tip, which I'm using here, which does do a good job. It works nice for this paper. It doesn't bleed through because of the paper I'm using, and it also works very nice on canvases. So I really recommend this fine liner because it does a great job on any paper that I use it on. Also, I do just want to say just a word here that I've been thinking about. Like, what are you using your art for? If you are just using it for selfish reasons because you just want to become an artist and gain money and yada 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 and become famous and popular, no, I'm just saying, remember to use your art to help someone along on the journey. Say something that might improve somebody's artwork. Change the world by a word. You may never know. So, just my word for the day is don't be selfish with your artwork. I mean, nobody can be you. No matter how hard they try, they cannot be you. Your artwork will be totally different from someone else's because you did it. All right, so just when you're going along on your journey, always remember someone and just share a tip or two, and that will most definitely make a difference. I am also using the Artist Loft 24 pack to do the coloring, and I do like the Artist Loft as well. It's a mock off to the Copic, but it blends nicely on any paper that I use. It's just that it runs out if you don't store it well. It runs out of ink quite often. I won't say frequently if it just isn't juiced up that well. So make sure that you store them properly, but the colors are really good and they blend nicely. Alright, so remember, share your art with someone, meaning like share a tip or two to improve someone else's artwork. And stay tuned for my other challenges for the 31 day. Ciao.